Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today we are doing a good old thrift store transformation. I will explain everything on the way.
How are you?
Good morning, how you doing? I recently moved into my first apartment. I have been so excited. All I do is shop for home decor now, but the problem is that I've got some West Elm taste and an IKEA budget, you know what I'm saying? Either way, it hasn't slowed me down. I've been trying to find cute ways to decorate my room on the budget. However, the one part of my room that I just cannot stand is my nightstand. Haha, can't stand my nightstand. Didn't even mean to do that. It is just ugly. Today, I'm going to try and transform a piece of thrift store furniture into a super cute nightstand. If you have any thrifting tips, let me know in the comments because I am sort of new to this and I know it's New York. If you have any thrifting tips, let me know in the comments because I am sort of new to this and I'm really excited to try it out. I just have a feeling it's gonna be a good day and we're gonna get it done. This would be perfect. Oh, never mind, not perfect. Way too expensive. We're moving on to the next one. There's Goodwill down the street. I think it has furniture. I don't know, we'll see. Let's go. I definitely found some good backup plans, and if I don't find anything anywhere else, I will go back and get those things. I just have a feeling that there's a piece of furniture out here in New York City with my name on it, so we are gonna go find it. We are at the third thrift store. I just have a weirdly good feeling about this. The sign is super cute, so let's go check it out. You have to go down this little mirrored alleyway to get to the shop, which is pretty cool. Look at this little cottage. Wow, that is so cool. These are like big well, not skyscraper, but they're big apartment buildings, and this little thrift shop is nestled right in between them. Oh my goodness, look at this locker. Wow, that is a project I would like to do. Let me know in the comments if this is something you'd like to see done in the future because I would love to do that. Okay, here are the nightstand situations. That actually looks like the perfect size. This is cool, but it might be a little wide. So let's take a look at this. Not my favorite pattern in the world, but it does have a good shape to it. Let's see how much it is. Okay, $55. Not the cheapest, but also we're in New York City. Nothing's gonna be very cheap. I feel like this is kind of a steal. So I'm gonna steal it. No, I'm not gonna steal it. I'm gonna go pay for it, but we are gonna take this, and I'm so excited. Hey everybody, it is day 2 and we are gonna do some upcycling today. The first thing I'm gonna do is actually saw off the bottom, and that is because I bought these cute little legs to put on the bottom, but it would be way too tall if I just stuck the legs on as is, so I'm gonna saw a little bit off. That's a lie. The first thing I'm gonna do is put my hair in a ponytail because I'm not looking to get a haircut today. That doesn't sound good at all. This corner is like the hunk that is hard to get past. So I'm just sort of like drilling small holes through it so that the saw doesn't have to go through so much. Okay, let's give the saw one more try. Kana! This is my friend Kana. Why is it doing that?
I don't think it's you, I think it's a tool.
Like that's so, why?
We were just gonna handsaw.
Back with a real deal saw. I don't know if I have the biceps for this, but we're gonna give it a go. This is gonna take 2 years. Kana's leaving us. Sadly, she has plans other than sawing old furniture. Yes! So happy that we got that bottom piece off. I didn't know if it was gonna happen, but it did. We persevered. And now what I'm gonna do is drill holes into the corner so that I can put these legs on. Okay, so we are gonna put the primer on now. It is prime time, you could say. And then I'm going to put on this paint. Even though this paint says it's paint and primer in one, I don't know. I just don't trust 2-in-1 products. I think you have to do all the steps if you want your end result to be long lasting. So we are doing the primer, we're doing the paint, and we're gonna have a good time. Let's go do it. All right, we sanded, we primed. It's all been leading up to this one moment, which is to make this navy blue. I have to choose what handles I'm going to use. I have these two, and originally I was trying to decide, did I want them to be the same thing, both of them, or different? And I think I decided different. That is my finished nightstand. I am so happy with it. I think it looks so different from what it originally was and looks way better than what I had in the first place. So I am super happy with it. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you next time.